Hello everyone, this is Kathy, and for today I just want to make a review about this Excelvan's electronic car refrigerator. It is a very affordable one, lightweight, and it's very easy to use, very easy to set up. There's a 12 volts cigarette lighter here, or for you to plug it in your cigarette lighter, and there's the adapter here that you can plug it in here. You can see this DC 12 volts. You can plug it in there, and there is the, what do you call this, fan, as you can see, and there are switches here from cold and hot. If the green button's light, that's cold, and the red button will be the hot. Okay, and of course there are 4 cup holders over the cover, so while you are in the trouble, you can put your cans here, or cup of water, or cans of soft drinks, you know what I mean. And this is really perfect for traveling. It's very portable. There is also a strap that's within it, and just put it in here. As you can see here, there's a holder here. You can put the strap in there here also. And I got this for my husband because he's a truck driver and he needs something that could put in his water bottles and his food, because I always prepare him food every day going to work, for him to at least save money, you know what I mean, not to buy every single day of food in the restaurants. It saves money, of course, and it's homemade food, so it's kind of healthy. So I bought this for him to put it in his food, drinks, and he used it already for a couple of days, and he said he loves it because his food didn't spoil. It doesn't spoil, okay? It is really good. He can put in hot if he wants it to keep it warm, and he can put his water and just switch the cold button, and it works really great. So far he loves it, and I'm happy that I got this for him. This is really great for him as a truck driver, traveling every single day on the road, and there's nothing to worry about anymore. So I'm happy that I got this. It is lightweight and very portable one. So that's it for now, guys. Thank you for watching. I hope you have a great day. Thank you.